Hey guys, welcome back to the Foodie Asyraf YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making keto and paleo friendly waffles. Let's get started. So let's just jump right into it. But before then, make sure to subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on a video. So here's the full list of ingredients with 2 materials you will need. But before we start with any other ingredient, I'm going to melt my butter for 30 seconds in the microwave and I'll continue the video. Okay, so let's check on our butter. So here's 4 tablespoons of butter that I melted for 30 seconds in the microwave. And make sure you don't overheat it because it might burn. And this was just 30 seconds in the microwave, and there's little bits and pieces of the butter still there, which I'm going to use a spoon to mix. So here I'm just gently mixing the butter so all the little pieces get melted. There you go. And we'll focus on the other ingredients. So let's get our eggs.
5 eggs.
And our stevia, our salt, baking powder, and last but not least, we have our coconut flour. So we're going to be using 1/3 cup of coconut flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder,
1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of stevia, 5 eggs,
and our 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, so let's just jump right into the steps. So let's get our blender. We'll have our 4 tablespoons of butter,
5 eggs,
so let's start blending. I think that's good.
So we're just gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of stevia.
So then let's get our half teaspoon of baking powder.
Quarter teaspoon of salt,
To combine again. So I think it's pretty good. The batter is pretty good. Now we'll add all our coconut flour. Now we want to mix this all the way so it doesn't have lumps, and wait after that 5 minutes so it can thicken the batter a little bit. So let's check if it has any lumps. I don't think we see any lumps. We can turn this off. We can let this sit for, I think, about 5 minutes, and I'll get the waffle iron ready and we'll start cooking. Now, that took only a few minutes and only a few ingredients, and all I have to do now is just wait 5 minutes for the batter to thicken up and get the waffle iron ready. So I changed up the camera angle a little bit, and I think we have waited a few minutes for the batter to thicken up. So now I am heating up my waffle iron, so we can just start cooking. So I think my batter has thickened up. My waffle iron is getting hot, so let's just start cooking. We'll close it up. So we'll just wait maybe 4 to 5 minutes, and we'll check back on it. So I think we're just gonna check on it. It's been a few minutes. So some parts of it is already brown, some parts of it is still a little bit yellow, so we're just gonna wait for everything to cook evenly. I'll flip it over. Ooh, that's nice, bro. So I'm gonna finish up on this waffle, and I'll make another waffle, and we'll see how it tastes. So here's our waffles, beautiful grid. So I think it is right if we get our cutlery and just dig right into it. So let's try it. This is with no maple syrup. Just trying it. Here, if you can see. That's pretty good. This would be the perfect keto breakfast every day. I mean, it's pretty good. So guys, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my waffles, my keto-friendly waffles, and enjoy the rest of the day. Make sure to subscribe right there. See my latest video right there. And until next time, this is Asyraf signing out. Peace.